I spent 5 days dealing with the public, so today's recovery plan is medically necessary. A quick emotional support break and just healing. Tonight's dinner still required leaving the house, though. I briefly considered being productive, but that passed. It's important to remember on high pain weeks you shouldn't feel guilty for taking the time you need to recover. Tonight's recipe starts with giving up. Add tomatoes. Add a concerning amount of olive oil. Now the oven earns its paycheck. Okay, this is looking suspiciously good. This feels way too good for the minimum effort.